All right, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to set SMS alert on Palmpay account. So this is currently a Palmpay account, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on the main down below here. You also see it on your own account. So once you click on the main, you'll be seeing this particular page: transaction history, account limit, bank card, and all sort of that. So you're going to be clicking on the top right here, which is the settings. So you're gonna see that. So on this settings, you see different section here, from login settings, payment settings, security questions, saving settings. Then you see SMS alert subscription. So you're gonna click on the SMS alert subscription. So you can see after successful subscription, we will send you an SMS alert, which of course cost 4 naira per alert. So please select subscription option. So for the first one, we're gonna be doing credit alert, money sent to your Palmpay account. The second one is card transaction alert, payment and cash withdrawal made with your Opay debit card. Then the following one is the transfer and withdrawal alert, transfer or cash withdrawal made with the Opay app or USSD code. Then the other one is transaction other than the aforementioned, such as airtime, data, betting, and so on. So you're gonna select the one you want. Let's say you want this order. You're gonna click on that and click on subscribe now. Or if you want the credit alert, so that anytime you receive money in your Palmpay account, you will receive an SMS alert, and it's going to be charging you 4 naira per alert. But then if you are someone that are always online, I don't think you have to be paying 4 naira per alert, because that will amount to a lot at the end of the month. So instead of that, you can just turn on your data and come down to your Palmpay account and see on the transaction if the money has been received, or you check your current account balance and see if the money is already in your balance or not. So this way you don't have to pay any money than just having data or your phone. So this is the easiest way that I think you can also get an SMS. But then if you feel like this is just what you need, you can definitely do that, and it will be costing you 4 naira on every alert you receive on your phone. That is how it works. If you have any other question, you can let us know through the comment section below. Thank you.